Hey, Spencer here from leadingworshipwell.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Holy Spirit by Jesus Culture with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this song. Also, I'm going to be using some advanced guitar chords in this tutorial. Don't worry, I'll show you everything you need to know, but if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, check out the link in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Here we are in the intro of the song. We're in the key of G, and we're just switching back and forth for the intro and the whole way through verse number 1 through these two chords. Playing a G like this, and a C like this. So altogether, the intro and verse number 1 sounds like this. Verse 1. There's nothing worth more that could ever come close. Nothing can compare. You're our living hope. Your presence, Lord. I've tasted and seen of the sweetest of loves, where my heart becomes free and my shame is undone. Your presence, Lord. Into chorus number 1. Here we are in chorus number 1, and we're going to be playing pretty much the same chords. We're just going to add some bass notes here. So we're going to play a G like this again. And then on the C, we're actually going to add this bass note on the 8th fret of the E string. And then to an A minor like this. So altogether, chorus number 1 sounds like this. Holy Spirit, you are welcome here. Light this place and fill the atmosphere. Your glory, God, is what our hearts long for. To be overcome by your presence, Lord. And then we're gonna hit it hard here, G and C down here like this. Your presence, Lord. Into the verse again. Here we are in verse number 2, which is the same as verse number 1 as far as the words go, but now we've opened it up a little bit more. So we're going to be playing this G and C, these two chords. We're playing a G like this, standard G chord, and then we're going to move that shape up to the 8th fret to get our C. And also in there, sometimes I walk up to that C by hitting the 7th fret on the E string. So to be like... So pay attention to that as I play through the verse. Sounds like this. There's nothing worth more that could ever come close. Nothing can compare. You're our living hope. 2nd fret of the G string, your presence, Lord. A little bit bigger here for the second half. I've tasted and seen of the sweetest of loves, when my heart becomes free and my shame is undone. Your presence, Lord. Into another chorus. Here we are in another chorus, nice and big this time. Chorus number 2 sounds like this. Holy Spirit, you are welcome here. Come flood this place and fill the atmosphere. Your glory, God, is what our hearts long for. To be overcome by your presence, Lord. into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge. It just repeats over and over again. We're going to be playing a C, a G over B, and A minor, back to a G over B. So kind of like a walk down, walk up sort of chord progression. And we're going to be changing the chords slightly more and more as we go through the bridge. So pay attention to that as we build up the volume of the bridge. Altogether, it sounds like this. Stick on those chords. Let us become more aware of your presence. Let us experience the glory of your goodness. Let us become more aware of your presence. Let us experience the glory of your goodness. Let us become more aware of your presence. Let us experience the glory of your goodness. Build it up until we drop out of the chorus into the final chorus. Here we are in the final chorus, nice chimey harmonics to end it. Chords really high up on the neck. Altogether it sounds like this. So this is building out of the bridge. So we want to build it up really loud so the dropout sounds quieter. Holy Spirit, you are welcome here. Come flood this place and fill the atmosphere. Your glory, God, is what our hearts long for. To be overcome by your presence, Lord. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Holy Spirit by Jesus Culture with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you liked some of the advanced guitar chords that you learned in this tutorial and you want to learn even more, check out the link in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of these advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.